Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to install R on RStudio for your PC or laptop to be ready for our course Programming with R. And also, if you have RStudio and you want to update your R version from, for example, what we have here 4.2.3 to the latest version, just follow us on next steps. Go to Google browser and download R, then RStudio. To download R, what you have to do is just to write download R on searching bar. The first link that we have here supported by RFran is the link that we will use to download R. Click on that link and then click on download R for Windows. And this is the latest version that we have. Choose where you want to save your files and wait to complete. If you want to download any older version, just click on previous releases. When download is done, click open and then press OK for English language and then click next, next, next and wait until an installation completed and then press finish. Now you have R on your PC. To download RStudio like what we did before, write on searching bar download RStudio. And then click on the first link from Posit. Here we have option to download R, but we already did this step. So go directly to the next one, download RStudio for Windows. Choose where you want to save your files and wait to complete. If you have any other platforms like Linux or Mac, just scroll down and choose the suitable one for your PC or laptop. When it's done, click open, then next, 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 and wait until installation completed. And then press finish. To open RStudio, write on searching bar RStudio, and it will appear in front of you. Click open, and here we have our RStudio. And as you can see, our R version has been updated to the latest one, 4.3. If your R version is not updated yet, don't worry. Just go directly to Tools and select Global option. And here we have our R version. To change, click on Change and select which version do you want to use for your project. And then press OK. It will ask you to reopen RStudio to activate the selected version. And here we come to the end of this video. In next videos, inshallah, we will work and apply with RStudio. See you soon and Assalamu alaikum.